everyone, name's with our treasure home and Vlogmas day 13 and 14 because I'm always a day behind. So we have the big book of bisquick. There are some lovely things in here. Simple things to make. Now this is called an apple sausage cheddar breakfast bake. Don't that look good? Now I'm going to show y'all. I've made before. All these look so good. And I'll do a dairy-free version about some. Look at all these nice desserts back here. Yummy. The gluten-free impossible pumpkin pie. A peach cobbler. Strawberry shortcake. Oh, those look good. Those are s'mores shortcake pops. Glazed lemon pound cake. Easy pumpkin cheesecake. Ooh, that sounds good. Velvet crumb cake. Mini whippy rainbows. Now, Anastsia and I made these. I don't know if I have a video about it or not. We should. Let's see here. And I'm getting there, I think. Here it is. This is what very similar to what one of my aunts used to make. They call raspberry bars. So, oh my goodness, these are absolutely delicious. And I'm just like, Now, I'll have to search the video. If I'll link it at the end. But definitely one of my favorites to make. So I'll be making that maybe for New Year's. I don't know. But, so that's day 13, the raspberry bars. But, what about day 14? It's the sweet time. It's the good times. Making good stuff. Look at all that good food. And I done passed it because I know where it's at. Look at those. Oh, white chocolate cranberry scones. Now, I have some cranberries in the freezer. I'm making myself hungry. I don't know about y'all. Apple cinnamon streusel muffins. That's not what I wanted to get to. And so they also have hurry up homemade crescent rolls. I'll make my own crescent rolls. Let's see here. I have it marked. Let's see if I can find it. No. It's got to be back here again. It has to be under the dessert. Because that's where I think it's at. And we're going to keep looking. I don't want to set my phone down. To look. So I figured I'd bring y'all along. Oh, look at that. That's a chocolate pie. My mom made that at Christmas too. Oh, we had coconut cream pie, pecan pie, chocolate pie, pumpkin pie, sweet potato pie. Oh my goodness. There were so many pies. There was cherry pie, and then there was blueberry pie. Of course, we also had a lot of people who always came over and everything. So here is my day 14. It is a gluten-free, of course, they have the gluten-free bisquick mix, cherry chip cobbler. And I want that because I have a can of cherry pie filling. Oh, yes, that's going to be so good. So, y'all stay tuned because a video will be coming soon about this cherry cobbler. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. Stay safe. God bless. We love y'all. And we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.